bahay mo.
Tayo mga kalogs, papalipad na tayo ng ating laruan. Ayun.
Sige, sige. Malayo pa. Nasusun mo ba yun?
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the
Shout out! What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, Log TV ulit mga kalogs. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Treasure Mountain dito sa probinsya ng Rizal. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon mga kalogs. Halos abot kamay na natin ang mga ulap. Ayan, oh. Ayan mga kalogs, oh. Ayan, bali nakakuha muna tayo ng wristband para katunayan na nandito tayo para mag-adventure. Ayan, dito sa ibabaw ng bundok. Ayan, dito sa Treasure Mountain.
Sana
Ridge Mountain dito sa Rizal. Ayan, shout out mga kalog. Ayan, kape-park lang namin aming mga motor. Yung mga kasama ko, nauna na sila. Siyempre, si Log TV, kailangan pang mag-vlog. Alright, good morning mga kalog. Ayan, pasok tayo sa loob mga kalog. Let's go. Ayan, oh. Ayan, dito yan, the Ridge Mountain dito sa probinsya ng Rizal. Ayan, merong unggoy mga kalog, oh. Unggoy, oh. Ayan, Treasure Mountain. Ayan, dito tayo mga kalog sa Treasure Mountain. Ayan, pasok tayo mga kalog sa loob. Ayan, first time natin pumunta makit dito sa ibabaw ng bundok. Adventure ulit mga kalog. Adventure is on. Buti lang hindi lumakas ng ulan. Kaninang pag-alis namin sa bahay, umuulan mga kalog. Ayan, medyo marami din palang tao dito. Ayan, mali siguro pag summer din ang tayo dito mga kalog. Ayan, maabot kamay ang clouds. Yung mga kasama ko para kumakain nila. Oh no! Shout out! Log TV again, strikes! Ayan, si kuya dyan ko kinuha yung aking mahiwagang wristband. Shout out ya! Hanggang anong oras ito kuya bukas? Hanggang, yung ano ba ngayon, nakapasok kami hanggang 5 to 3 PM pwede kami dito. Wow! Yan, hanggang 5 tayo dito mga kalog. Ito ang kanilang counter. Yan kami nagbayad. Yan ang kanilang counter. Yan. Guys, mayroon po ditong entrance. 180 ang entrance. Tapos pag gusto nyo may breakfast, ang bayaran po namin is 350 with breakfast. Yan. Bigyan namin is 350 with breakfast yun mga kalog. Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo ng entrance. Ay, pagkain. Diba? Go inside. Wow! Ayun o. Oh, may aso pa dun. Chow chow. Diba? First time natin dito mga punta mga kalog. Halos abot ang crowd. Ayan. Treasure Mountain. Ayan kanilang ano, resto bar. Yung ano, overlooking. Ayan. Treasure Mountain. Dito po sa probinsya ng Rizal. Tanay Rizal. Ayan. Shoutout sa ating mga subscriber dyan, ang Team Tigang, Team Kaagapay, mga shoutout, and Team USA, Sky Team TV, Miss Awesome, Awesome Ruby, good morning. Yan, mamaya, yan, kita nyo guys, ang clouds. Umambon lang kasi. Yan. Dito, abot mo daw ang clouds. Alright. Ay mga kalog. Nasa ibabaw tayo ng bundok. Kaya abot na abot ang clouds. Ayan. Ayan. Punta natin ating mga kasama. Doon tayo sa mga kasama natin. Ayan, hindi naman pa sa mga kalog. This way, pavilion, campsite. Pwede pa na mag-campsite dito mga kalog. Barrel bat, rock formation, bonsai poles. Yan natin mga kalog. Yan sila, ito ang kainan mga kalog. Ayan, shout out Sir Bobs! Ito ang ating kasama dun sa
Shout out.
Canbalete.
Francisco na
Ang Canbalete boys.
gustong sumama kaso nagbago isa.
Ayun. Ayan, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan.
Luke.
Shout out. Abot-abot ang yung bulak. Clouds pala. Ang tawag dito. Ayan. Mga kalugs, kitang-kita. Abot-abot kamay ang bulak. Ayan, ano daw eh? 1,500 ba o 2,500? 2 to 3 hours yata eh. Ayan, kung gusto nyo gumamit nun. Ayan o. Kung gusto nyo mag-arkila po yan, may bayad po yan, 1,500. 1 hour po yata yun. Ayan. Mataas pa tayo sa cloud. Meron pang mas mataas dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan mga kalog, breakfast time. Ayan, breakfast dito sa Treasure Mountain, dito sa Tanay Rizal. Oh, breakfast. Oh, shout out. Ayan mga kalog, breakfast. Ayan, breakfast ng mga taga. Ayan, mas maganda pala dito. Pang-awa yun. May poste, pwede ba tanggalin yung poste? Ayan na, breakfast na mga kalog.
Ano, dito nga. Go, dito balibot dito. Dog, bakit Treasure Mountain?
Oh no!
Dog TV. Dog TV. Oh, yung drone na, drone. Tawagin mo yun.
Abay mo. Tayo mga kalogs, papalipad na tayo ng ating laruan. Ayan.
Sige, sige. Nasusumo ba yun? Doon mo ilagay yun.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Treasure Mountain. Ayan po. Ayan, formation rock. Bakit kaya tinawag na formation rock? Ah, ganito pala. Mga bitak-bitak na bato. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan mga kalab.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Camp dito sa Treasure Mountain dito sa Tanay Rizal. Ayan, alam nyo na dito mga kalogs, sa mga gustong mag adventure dito, mga nasa ibang bansa, ayan, pwede rito. Alright, mamaya pahinga muna tayong konti mga kalogs. See you later, alligator. Ayan mga kalogs, ayan, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking vlog, ang aking content ngayong araw na ito dito sa Treasure Mountain dito sa Tanay Rizal. Ayan mga kalogs, hanggang sa muli nating adventure mga kalogs dito sa ating channel Log TV. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe kay Log TV, mag-subscribe na po kayo, maluwag pa. Kaibigan, ang mga sumusuporta sa ating channel, ang ating Team Tigang, Team Kaagapay, Osum Ruby, mega love shoutout, Sky 18 TV, Team USA, shout out. Ayan. At sa ating mga members na walang sawang sumusuport sa ating YouTube channel, sa ating inumpisahang adventure. Ayan. Maraming salamat mga kalogs. Hop! Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, maluwag pa. Peace out!
Alright.